Good morning students. Today 25th July we are doing our chapter number 8. Chapter 8 is of decimals. We are doing which chapter? Decimals. And today we are on the topic of comparing and ordering decimals. Which topic we have to do today? Comparing and ordering decimals, right? Which is exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3, comparing and ordering of decimal numbers. In previous video we have done how to add that, right? How to arrange the decimal numbers. Now today what we do? Today we will compare and orders, means today we will compare the two decimal number, which one is greater and which one is smaller, right? आज क्या करेंगे बेटा हम? आज हम ये टॉपिक करेंगे, आपका कंपेयरिंग का मतलब होता है कि आप फाइंड आउट करोगे कि गिवन नंबर्स में से ग्रेटर डेसिमल नंबर्स कौन सा है, स्मॉलर डेसिमल नंबर्स कौन सा है. एंड सेकेंड टॉपिक विच वी विल स्टडी इज ऑर्डरिंग. ऑर्डरिंग मीन्स टू अरेंज द डेसिमल नंबर इन ascending order and descending order. To arrange the decimal number in ascending order and descending order, right? So now we will start, and after that we will rounding of decimal. One more thing, that is rounding of decimal. One more topic is rounding of decimals. Right? So now rounding of decimal means that it is given to you. You have to round off the decimal to nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest ones. Right? So today our topics are comparing and ordering decimals, and next one is rounding decimals, right? So now come to the exercise. I hope topic is clear to everyone. What we have to do? So how you will compare the decimal number? Which one is greater, which one is smaller? Look beta, decimal number which is like this, 41.345. This number contains two parts. How many parts? Two parts. First part and this one is second part, right? फर्स्ट पार्ट, इस पार्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंटीग्रल पार्ट. यू कैन से इंटीग्रल और यू कैन से होल पार्ट. एंड आफ्टर द डेसिमल दैट सेकेंड पार्ट विल बी डेसिमल पार्ट, राइट? सेकेंड पार्ट क्या होगा आपका? डेसिमल पार्ट. First part is integral part or you can say whole part, and second part is decimal part. Now when you compare the two decimal numbers, you will firstly check the first part. आप firstly क्या check करेंगे? First part को आप arrange करेंगे तब भी, and when you compare the two decimal then also you have to compare first part first. फर्स्ट पार्ट मीन्स क्या? पहले चेक करेंगे इंटीग्रल पार्ट और होल पार्ट. लाइक टू नंबर्स आर देयर, 3.47 and 4.32. So now first what we check? We will check the integral part. Which one is big, 3 or 4? 3 is bigger, it means 4.32 number is greater. Clear my point? So when you arrange in ascending and descending order also, then you will first check the whole parts. क्या check करेंगे आप? Whole part, right? Now the second condition is if the whole part is same. अगर आपका दोनों numbers में whole part same है, right? So what we do? We will check the first digit after the decimal, or you can say we will check the first digit of the decimal part. Once again, if you have the two different numbers, when you arrange the number, there you will firstly check the first part. वहाँ पे आप कौन सा चेक करोगे? First part, and first part is of integral part or whole part, right? Now about the second condition, when both the integral part are same. जब आपके इंटीग्रल पार्ट सेम होते हैं, at that time what you will do, you will check the digit after the decimal, just after the decimal first digit. Here is 4, here is 5. Which one is greater? 5. It means 3.50 is greater, right? And when you are arranging at that time also same, आप इंटीग्रल पार्ट को चेक करो. अगर इंटीग्रल पार्ट आपका सेम है दोनों कंडीशन में, तो आप क्या करोगे? डेसिमल नंबर्स, डेसिमल पार्ट को चेक करोगे, एंड डेसिमल पार्ट विल बी लाइक फर्स्ट नंबर आफ्टर द डेसिमल, द जस्ट फर्स्ट नंबर आफ्टर द डेसिमल, राइट? नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट डेसिमल नंबर इन ईच सेट. Now the first question of exercise is you have to arrange that number in the ascending order. You have to arrange the number in ascending orders, or find the smallest decimal number in each set. Means, sorry, that is second questions which you have to arrange. In first one you have to just find the smallest decimal number. हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्मॉलेस्ट डेसिमल नंबर, राइट? So for that, first A part is the questions given to you like this. 5.402, 5.4015, 5.901 and 6.002. So what we have to find? Smallest number. Now smallest number 5. Firstly हम क्या चेक करेंगे? Whole part, or you can say integral part. 5, 5, 5 and 6. So 6 is the biggest number. It means ये हो नहीं सकता, right? It is not possible. After this we are having three numbers whose integral part is 5. So now we will check the decimal part. अब हम क्या चेक करेंगे? Decimal part. Now decimal part, after decimal first digit is 4. In this 4, here also 4, and in this 9. So this is also greater. It means it is also not possible. Now we are having two numbers. 4, 4 same. First number after decimal is same. Now check the second number. Second is also same. Now the third number, 2 and 1. Which one is smaller? 1. So it means smallest decimal number is smallest decimal number equals to 5.4015. Clear? Now B part, 3.001, 4.1, 3.0005, 4.002 and 3.7651. Firstly what we check? Firstly we check the integral part. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. 4 तो आपका biggest number है. It means it is not possible. This one also cross. Now these three numbers having the same integral part. So now we will check the first digit of decimal part. 0, 0 and here is 7. 7 is big, it means it is also not possible. Now we will check only between these two digits. फर्स्ट डिजिट दोनों में सेम है, हम सेकेंड डिजिट चेक करते हैं. 0, 0, 1 and 0. Which one is small? 0, because 1 is bigger. 0. So smallest decimal number is smallest decimal number equals to 3.0005. Right? Now C part, 7.005, 7.05, 7.0015 and 7.1005. Right? So now see beta, in this question integral part of every number is same, that is 7. So what we check now, we will check the decimal part. 0, 0, 0 and 1. 1 is bigger, it means this number can't possible. We have to find the smallest number. Second number check karo. 0, 5 and 0. 5 is big, it means it is also not possible. Next is 5 and 1. Which one is smaller? 1. So smallest decimal number equals to 7.0015. Clear? Now B part, which is 3.45, 34.5, 345.345 and next number is 3.045. Right? Now once again integral part check करेंगे. 3, 34, 345 and 3. These two number can't possible because हमारे पास इन दोनों से भी smaller number है. 3, 3. Now what we do? We will check the first place, which is 4 and 0. Which one is small? 0. So smallest decimal number is 3.045. Here. This is about the first K1 part, which is smallest decimal number. Now second one is arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Now in second question, what we have to do? We have to arrange the number in ascending order. In ascending order, what you will write first? Smallest number or the biggest number? What you will write first? Smallest number. So K2 is arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. Now first A question is A part, 5.105. Second one 5.501. Third one 5.015 and fourth one 50.15. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to arrange this ascending order. In ascending order, first will come smallest number. Now check स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 5, 5, 5 and 50. 50 बिगेस्ट नंबर, इट मीन्स ये कहाँ आएगा आपका लास्ट वन, राइट. तो ये क्रॉस हुआ. नाउ वी आर हैविंग ओनली 3 नंबर्स. 3 नंबर्स में आपका इंटीग्रल पार्ट सब में सेम है, तो हम कौन सा पार्ट चेक करेंगे, डेसिमल पार्ट. एंड डेसिमल पार्ट में फर्स्ट डिजिट 1, 5 and 0. The digits are 1, 5, 0. Now can you tell me which one is smallest? 0, 1 and 5, right? So 0 is this, 5 decimal 0, 1, 5. After this 1, which is this, 5 decimal 1, 0, 5. And then 5 decimal 5, 0, 1. And this is the biggest number. Clear to everyone how to arrange the number in ascending order. Now B part, 3 decimal 145, 31 decimal 45, 0 decimal 3145 and 314 decimal 5. Right? Once again, ascending order. What you will do? You will check the first smallest number, 3, 3, 0 and 314. Which one is small? 0. So 0 decimal 3145. Now biggest number than this, 3, 31 and 340. Which one? 3 will come. 3. After 3, 31. And after 31, 314 decimal 5. Clear? आपको फर्स्टली देखो बेटा, इस पार्ट में क्या था, इंटीग्रल पार्ट सब में डिफरेंट था. So we can easily find by comparing the integral part. Now C part, 7 decimal 25, 7 decimal 025, 7 decimal 0025 and 7 decimal 525. Again we have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order, what we do? Smallest number, integral part check करते हैं. 7, 7, 7 and 7. Integral part in all is same. Now what we do? We will check the first place after decimal. 2, 0, 0 and 5. We are having two numbers of 0, 0. So now 2 and 5. It will come on third and this will be the fourth. Now फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में चूज करना है हमें. यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 0 है. इट मीन्स विच वन कम फर्स्ट? 0. सो 7 decimal 0025, then 7 decimal 025, then 7 decimal 25 and then 7 decimal 525. Right? So this is the way to arrange the number in the ascending order. Now next will be, so third question is now K3, complete the table. See beta, one table is given to you there in which one side number is written, second round of 10th place, third column is of correct to 100th place and next is correct to 1000th place. It means what we have to do? We have to round off the given number to the given places. In previous class also you have done the topic of round off. Round off में हम क्या करते हैं? Given place से एक digit पहले check करते हैं. Or you can say if you have to round off the number to the 10th place. See, this is the number decimal. अगर आपको इसमें 10th place check करना है, right? In previous class you have studied about without decimal numbers. आपने प्रीवियस क्लास में विदाउट डेसिमल नंबर्स को राउंड ऑफ किया था. अगर आपको टेंस में राउंड ऑफ करना था तो आप वंस को चेक करते थे, राइट. 100 में राउंड ऑफ करना था, देन यू विल चेक द डिजिट एट द टेंस प्लेस. इट मीन्स one digit before that, but in the case of decimal number, this is without decimal. Now in the case of decimal number, what you will do, if the number is like this 3.45 and you have to convert the number to nearest tens. टेंस में राउंड ऑफ करना है तो आप 100th प्लेस को चेक करोगे, बट यू विल चेक 100th प्लेस. एंड अगर आपको 100th में राउंड ऑफ करना है, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, इफ यू हैव टू राउंड ऑफ टू 100th देन यू विल चेक 1000th प्लेस. विच प्लेस यू विल चेक? 1000th प्लेस, राइट. सो यू हैव टू डेसिमल में आप एक डिजिट बाद वाला प्लेस चेक करेंगे एंड विदाउट डेसिमल में आप एक डिजिट, अगर आपको टेंस में करना है तो आप वंस चेक कर रहे हैं, राइट. इसमें आप बिफोर करेंगे, इसमें आप आफ्टर करेंगे. सो नाउ फर्स्ट यू विल ड्रॉ द टेबल. What we have to do, we have to round off the given numbers, and in this is the key third. Numbers same like this table you have to draw in your notebook. Round off tens place. Tens means after the decimal. Second is correct to hundreds. Correct to hundreds. Third one is correct to thousands. 100 thousands, right. So now it will be, first number is 128 decimal 7654. Now firstly column is round off to 10th place. आपको 10th place को round off करना है, so you will check the 100th place. You will check the 100th place. 100th place पे 6 है, which is greater than 5. So what we do? We will plus 1 to 7 and it becomes 128 decimal 8. It becomes 128 decimal 8. Next is correct to hundreds. Tens, hundreds. 100 place पे आपको round off करना है, so you will check the number which is at 1000th place. One digit after 5, more than 4, so 6 plus 1, 7. 128 decimal 7. After that correct to thousands. Thousands में correct करना है आपको. It means which place you will check? The digit at the 10,000th place, which is 4. 4 is less than 5. It means the number will remain the same, which is equals to 128 decimal 765. Right? This is the way to round off the decimal numbers. Now in the table, second number is 93 decimal 7327. 93 decimal 7327. Once again 10th place पे करना है आपको, so you will check the place of 100, which is 3, and 3 is less than 5, so the number will remain the same. Right? Now 100th place 3. 100th place पे क्या है आपका 3, तो आप कौन सा प्लेस चेक करोगे? 1000, and 1000 प्लेस इज 2. which is again less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Sorry, here it comes 3. Now correct to thousands, tens, hundred and thousand. So we will check the digit which is at the place of 10,000, and that is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the number which is at the 1000 place. So 2 plus 1, 3. So the number is 93.733. Clear? Now third part is 7.35. Now when we are doing the decimal topic, at that time I am telling you that beta after decimal the digits are there, and after the digit you can put as many zeros you want. आप कितने भी जीरो लगा सकते हैं, वो आपकी गिवन नंबर की वैल्यू को चेंज नहीं करेंगे, राइट? So now we have to correct up to thousands. It means how many digits we require? 4. So how many zeros we will put? 2. Right? So now firstly round off to 10th place. 3 को राउंड ऑफ करना है, so हम एक डिजिट बाद में चेक करेंगे. 5. So plus 1, 7.4. Now 100, tens and 100. 5 के बाद क्या है? 0. Right? So 0 means less than 4. So the number will remain the same. 3, 5. Now thousands, again 0. So the number will remain the same, and it is 7.350. Remember thing beta, 0 we are adding in this, क्योंकि आपको यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद सिर्फ 2 डिजिट्स गिवन थी और हमें किस में करेक्ट करना था? नियरेस्ट थाउजेंड्स, राइट? नाउ फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज 0.0089. 0.0089, which is 10th place. It means 0. After 0 the number is 0. So the number will remain the same, 0.0. Now 100th place, 0. After 0 number is 8, which is greater than 5. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 0.01. Now thousands में करना है, 10, 100 and 1000. After 1000 the digit is 9, which is greater than 5. So we will plus 1 here, and the number will be 0.009. Right? So this is the way to round off the decimal numbers. Now next topic is, there are some weights is given to you in S1 part. Arrange the names of the following student in ascending order of their heights. Now S1 is, there are some students heights is given to you. आपको उनको अरेंज करना है, and arrange in the ascending order means the smallest height will come at the first, right? So the heights are given to you like this. First we will draw this table. S1 part, name of the student and height of his or her, and ascending order of heights. Here you have to arrange them in the ascending order. Ascending order of heights. Right? Now first name is given to you, that is Ganesh. Height of Ganesh is 1.35 meter. Second name is Sameer, which is 139 centimeter. After that Sunny, whose height is 14.01 decimeter. Now Daniel, which is 139.5 centimeter. Next one is Tina. Her height is 135.4 centimeter. Next is Manjula, and height of Manjula is 1.349 meter. So now, after seeing, now these are the heights given to you. See here one unit is used, that is decimeter. क्या बोलते हैं इसको बेटा? Decimeter, right? So this decimeter is, when you convert meter to centimeter, the conversion table is millimeter, decimeter, right? Centimeter, meter, decameter, हेक्टोमीटर एंड किलोमीटर, राइट? ये आपकी टेबल है. सो हमें क्या करना है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स सबसे फर्स्टली क्या करोगे आप? स्मॉलेस्ट हाइट. सो स्मॉलेस्ट हाइट इज firstly what you will do, you will convert all these into centimeter. आप इन सबको किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? सेंटीमीटर में, राइट? विच मेक्स इट इजी फॉर यू. क्या करेगा वो आपके लिए? इजी हो जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मीटर 135.354 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 1.35 with 100, डेसिमल रिमूव करो, डाउन साइड क्या आएगा? 100. 100 कट बाय 100, इट मीन्स द नंबर इज 135 centimeter, right? After this one also it become 134.9 centimeter. Now this 14.01 decimeter. So 1 we will multiply with 10. 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. It becomes 140.1 centimeter. Right? After decimal 2 digits are there. और अगर हम इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 1 0 कट बाय 1 0, how many 0 left? 1. Now can you arrange them? First this side write name and then height. Now name, first is smallest one, 135, 139, 140, 139, 135 and 134. So smallest is 134, which is of Manjula. Manjula 134.9 centimeter. After Manjula, these are 135, 135. So this is 135.4 and this is only 135. So second will come Ganesh. Ganesh 135 centimeter. Third one Tina 135.4 centimeter. Right? Now Ganesh, then Tina and Manjula. Now we are having only 3, that is 139, 140 and 139. So which one come first? Sameer, and Sameer height is 139 centimeter. After Sameer, Daniel height is 139.5 centimeter. After Daniel, last one is Sunny. So who is the largest boy or whose height is more? That is Sunny. The largest boy is Sunny. So this is about the first few questions of exercise 8.3. Next questions we will do tomorrow or in the next class.